If you're looking for a premium dash cam that covers all angles and ensures your safety on the road, the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam is a must-have. This advanced dash cam offers 4K Ultra HD recording for the front camera and 1080p resolution for the rear camera, capturing crystal clear footage of both the road ahead and behind. With ultra-wide 150 degrees and 140 degrees angles, you won't miss a thing. The Sony STARVIS 2 sensor ensures unmatched image quality even in low light, thanks to its f1.5 aperture for the front and f1.8 aperture for the rear. This means sharp and vibrant recordings, day or night. With 5G Wi-Fi capability, you can quickly download videos at speeds of up to 20 Mbps using the ROVE app. Easily view, share, and manage your recordings on your smartphone in just seconds. The built-in GPS feature adds live speed, route tracking, and location data to your videos, giving you the evidence you need for insurance or legal purposes. Additional features include a custom 24/7 parking mode with options for motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse video. If an incident occurs while your car is parked, the camera records a full 1-minute video and alerts you when you return. You'll also get a 128GB microSD card included, with support for up to 1 TB storage, so you never run out of space. The supercapacitor ensures durability in extreme weather, making this dash cam reliable in any condition. At a price point that reflects its quality and advanced technology, the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam isn't just a gadget, it's peace of mind. Protect your vehicle, capture important moments, and enhance your driving experience today. Don't wait. Upgrade your car's safety with the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Order now and enjoy the benefits of cutting-edge technology designed to keep you safe and connected on every journey.